Hey guys, welcome back. We are on the final chunk of the ARP Haruna mission here, being the top 5. I'm going to attempt to do it first here in the Atlanta, and then if that doesn't work, I will probably switch to a different ship in this set right here. Probably not the Warships, just because it's such a slow and large ship. I have yet to place higher than mid-range with it, so... Or the Farragut. It'll probably be Cleveland, the Molotov, Tpet, or the Atlanta. So, let's see if we can pull it off in the first go. And we still have it set up for ranked battles, but we need this in random battles. I mean, it can be done in ranked battles, but I'm not high enough rank to do that with a tier 7 or 8. So, Islands of Ice. Actually, I think this is the first time I've been on this map. So, well, there's 2 different things going on now. And I am so gonna lose. Tier 9, Tier 9, Tier 9. It's an interesting graphic, though. Where am I starting? I am right here. Why does it show Destroyer? Or is that just... No, that shouldn't be a Destroyer. That should be a Cruiser. Yeah, I'm in the Atlanta. Herp. Can't remember if this is the map that they've changed or if this was the second one. Huh. This map is weird.
General quarters.
Now, claiming points is a very good way to get high in placement. I have a distinct feeling, though, that this map is the area I'm heading to is probably destroyer friendly. B is probably the less destroyer friendly area. But luckily I'm in Atlanta, which means I am very destroyer unfriendly. Gonna skip ahead here, that way it goes a little faster. Catch you when I'm in the circle. Okay, so we're just about to enter the circle, and as you can see, they're already capping A. So there's probably a destroyer in here.
Enemy force detected.
Let's turn so we don't hit our friendly Fubuki. There's the Amagi on the enemy team. Luckily, I'm not visible yet. I'll just slow down this way. The guy can pass. Oh, that's gonna spot me. Ibuki. I don't even know what that is. And I scraped a glacier. And erase that guy from the map. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, I'm gonna eat something. Yeah, let's see, I can make it so I can eat one. Of course it caused flooding.
We're all below the water line. We're flooding quickly.
I think the entire team came up here. Oh, good. This will end so not well. But fired those. Next ship. Next attempt.
Requesting fire on the designated target.
Catch you with next vessel. Well, let's go to the Molotov. Launcher. And now we're in the Molotov. This is clearly Trident, and unfortunately, somebody did this. These people are just... No, you don't do this.
Sighted on the horizon.
People, quit doing this. It doesn't cost anything to grab a tier 1 ship. Play a tier 1 ship with this guy. That way he can get into a higher tier ship. Don't do this where you pair off with higher tiers. You're just being a detriment to your team. So much so that it might be even feasible for your team just to sink the guy just to make it so the enemy team can't get him.
Target penetrated.
Well, I messed that guy up.
Problem solved, sir.
Are you in New Mexico?
Enemy cruiser sighted. Spotters airborne.
The angle he's at, this is gonna see. What did that? I'm just overjudging that guy. And that's probably my death knell.
Main turret gravely damaged.
Fix the gun just so I can get it off.
Problem solved, sir.
Well, next ship. Be funny if I still managed to top 5 on one of those. Even though I keep zipping out of them. Well, let's see. We'll try the Cleveland. Alright, we're on Estuary, Cleveland, and they're roadie capping D. It'll be interesting to see how many of these matches I'll have to play just to get into the top 5 of my team. And I've already hit, even though I haven't fired, and there's an island between me and everything else. But it's probably mostly because that destroyer's there. was going to be short-lived, and I've run aground. Great. Oh, there goes this ship. Next. That was short. That was so terribly short. Board. Tails are all in battle. Well, guess we're under the Tpets. Alright, we're on north. There's a enemy Miyoko. I'm gonna take shots. Way overshot that. Why couldn't that have been a sit? I'm just not adjusting properly for that guy. Oh no, wait, you probably... Well, I didn't sink him, but every little bit helps. That's the name of getting into the top 5. Being helpful to your team. Oh, hey look, there's his counterpart. I'm gonna slow down that way I can... sight. Go. And they basically all missed. Curse the dispersion pattern on these guns. Now, if I try to bring all the guns to bear on that guy, I'm gonna regret it. Side onto that one. Oh yes, please do turn. I'm gonna come down slow. Smoke cloud to be placed. More rounds into him. Now that he's at such a terrible angle to shoot at. He's turning to bring all his guns on me because I'm turning. Slow down again, friendly. Keep my turn. Fire. And still have the worst dispersion of shells in the game. I mean, the shells, you can see that blue ring on my mini-map. That's how far my shell, that's my detection. But, that white ring there is the artillery range. But nothing on these shells actually wants to hit that range. Got to be closer than that. And most of the other ships in this game will hit long before that range. Oh, there's my enemy counterpart. then there's that guy. Bring my engine to almost the staff speed so I can turn sharper. Oh, he's sailing broadside on. I hope that's aimed right. Bring my engines back up. No, that was aimed wrong. I could have waited a couple extra seconds to fire those. He's still sailing that way. Is it what, 18? So I need to aim something like this? That's gonna go right over his bow. Or he turned just enough.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Well, that's wonderful. Another battleship. Gonna shoot me an ARP Miyoko. Who's way closer. And those shells are gonna spread so well.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Gonna overshoot him again. It's like these shells don't know how to aim.
Enemy destroyer detected.
Woo! We hit.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
That's a destroyer. I'm not going near that problem. Oh, hey, we Citadel. Now, if I could only Citadel him or hit him again. Hey! I hit and killed him.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
But oh look, I was right. Those torps would have been in my problem. What are you? Man. Or Mahan, or however you pronounce that thing. I think me and this Nagato are gonna mess up that Tpet. Unless he goes and turns the other way. I think I'm actually going to come at him from the other side of this little tiny island between the two. Hopefully the rear guns whip around fast enough. Or that I clear it before he gets on the other side of it. Will be in range. Hey, yeah, I hit him. I just have to worry about his torpedoes. Heal. I'm not sure where the Citadel actually is on a Tpet. In fact, I'm not really sure how to do Citadel properly. I usually just do duck blocks. And we have a whiner on the team. They going on holiday. Our battleships were sinking a battleship. You just happened to get sunk. I can't say what the ones at the top of the map were doing, though. But down here, we were dealing with more ships. Just need to clear the front of that island, and I can put shells into that other Tpet. Or attempt to, with the horrible, horrible spread. Main problem is we're going to be left with destroyers, which I'm pretty sure those can shoot at us from blind. So, well, let's see where we placed. Because it doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss. It just matters where you place, so team score. Hey, look, top of my team. And it's right there. Back to port, let's go take a look at that, even though it's basically the same as the other one. Which, here it is. Let's get rid of this stuff. And those two, that way it just gives me the ships that are important. Well, most of them. Oh wait, I could just do this. So, base Congo. ARP Congo. Hiroshima. And the Haruna. I have so far the complete set of all the Congos. It would be interesting if they add in some of the other ARP vessels, like the cruisers. Also, as you can see, it gives me 6 points to spend on the... I'm not even going to call it ship's captain. I'm going to call it the ship's AI persona, or I can't remember what they're actually supposed to be called. But, so, there you go. I finally got the ship. I've completed the set, and the only missions left in here are the special things they put out now for winning with those particular ships. So, like, share, subscribe, socialize, and we'll catch you next time.